Yeah, got 3 nice Minimax hammers in there. This is a Minimax 3/8 set. It's got 3/8 sockets, I think from 6 up to 26. I've got the half-inch sockets, half-inch drive sockets here from I think 6 up to 27. Oh yeah, and there are deep sockets, I believe, 8 up until 22. And it's got the extension. Love these uni joints. My favourite kind of uni joint. Yeah, but I've got this tool. Yeah, there's just there's a set of open end AF spanners in there. 7 of them, I think. Goes up to an inch. Got some Minimax quarter drive deep sockets there. Yeah, just gradually building up a kind of Minimax toolbox. Pretty good. There's the Kingcraft. Some other video. Some ring spanners there. I've got 10, 11, 12, 13, 7/8, half 9 16ths, and 3/8. So yeah, 7 16ths, 3/8. Yeah, some ring spanners there. The Minimax ones that screwdriver. These are actually okay. They're kind of early, kind of a ratcheting screwdriver. They're alright though. Yeah, and I got some other. All this stuff is at Minimax. But I'll work up to it. That'd be cool. Alright.